Okay, I'm going to show you quick and easy how to change your primary category on your Google Business Profile, but stick around because there's some things you need to know at the end about what's going to happen when you do this. So first, search My Business or search your business name. If it doesn't come up for those things, try searching your business name, city, state. If you don't see this right here still, make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with your profile, and then it should pop up. Then you just click right here on Edit Profile. And then you go down here to business category, and I have it as lawn care business. Let's say that I think like actually landscaper or landscape design, those better define my business. I do that. Now click save. And now here's what I told you need to know. But first, I just want to tell you, I've got a free resource, my GBP Quick Fix Guide for 2025. I'm going to put the link to it down below. You can get that for free. Make sure everything about your profile is set up so that you rank. Now, here's the thing. When you change your business category, sometimes it triggers a re-verification. See, so you need to get verified again by Google, which is them either calling, sending you a postcard, or some other verification method. I'll link down to the verification methods below. So just be prepared to promptly re-verify your profile because see what Google says, get verified to let them see you on Google. Customers can't see your business information if it's not verified. Also, stick around for the next video because I'm going to tell you some warnings about changing your primary category and best practices to look out for so that you don't trigger any suspension or issues with your profile. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.